Hello everyone, welcome to mechanical.com. In this video, we are going to design this part. So let's start our video. First of all, see its 2D drawing. This is the 2D drawing. First of all, we will make this view. All the dimensions are in millimeter and let me tell you the dimensions in detail. Okay, now see from this point to this point the distance is 35 mm and also this length is 10 mm. So this will be 25 plus 10 which is equal to 35. From this point to this point the distance is 25. This means when we will sketch these lines, then we will use extrude boss base and extrude them of 25 mm. Also, there are two circles. The circle has a diameter of 8 mm and these fillet radius are 10 mm. Also, these fillet radius are 8 mm and the two circles have a diameter of 8 mm. The distance from this line to this line is 40 mm and the radius of the half circle is 15 mm. So the diameter will be 30 mm and the total height of this model is 30 mm. So this will be 30 and this distance from this point to this point is 40 mm because see this is 40 mm, so there will be also 40 mm and the width of the whole model is 80 mm. So this is our 2D drawing and now let's start our video. Go to Solidworks, open a new part file. Okay, make sure that the unit system is mmga system, millimeter, gram and second. Now go to right plane and normal. Go to sketch and then line command and then draw lines like this. And now use smart dimension and give them proper dimensioning. This length is 30 mm. This length is 10 mm. The total length is 40 mm. And this height is 10 mm. Okay, now go to features, extrude boss base, reverse the direction and type here 80. Click OK. Control 7. This is our isometric view. Now select this face, sketch. Now we will draw a corner rectangle and a circle in the center of that rectangle. First of all, draw a corner rectangle. First of all, go to smart dimension and this length is 40 and also measure from this point to this center as 40 mm because 80 is the total length, so 40 will be its midpoint. See now this is in the center. Now draw a circle from the center. Go to smart dimension. The circle has a diameter of 30 mm or you can say the radius is 15. Type 30 mm diameter. See now go to trim entities and trim these lines. Okay. Now Go to features, extrude boss face and select this face and type here 25 mm. See, click OK. Now we want to remove this material. So again select this face, sketch, and now line command from this point to this point, and again go to this point, and this will convert into an arc. See, keep arc on that circle and OK. Now click OK. Go to features, extrude cut, select through all, click OK. See, control 7. See, now we want to fillet the corners, so go to fillet. The upper two has a fillet radius of 8 mm and the bottom one has a fillet radius of 10 mm. So first of all, for upper side, we will type 8. First select the upper corners and type here 8. Click OK. See, now again go to fillet. This time select both the bottom corners and type here 10 mm. Click OK. Now we want to draw the circles. So for this purpose, first of all select this face, sketch, and go to circles. When you put the cursor on this point, you will see a plus point and this is the center. So draw a circle and also put the cursor or this pencil in this point and you will see the plus icon. Draw a circle right from there. Now go to smart dimension. Both the circle has a radius of 4 mm and the dia is 8 mm. This is also 8 mm. Click OK. Now go to features, extruded cut, and select here through all. See, now select this face, sketch, draw the circles, put the cursor on this point and you will see the plus icon. Draw circles on both sides, put the cursor on here and you will see the plus icon. Go to smart dimension and the radius is 4 and dia is 8. So type 8 for the diameter. Same for this circle, the dia is 8 mm. Again go to features, first of all click OK, features, extruded cut and select through all, click OK. See, control 7. See, our part is complete. Now go to appearance, go to appearances, colors and then solid and select here yellow. Click OK. See, this is our part. I hope you you liked the video. If you liked, hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel for more videos.